Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. I'm talking here today about 1,000-watt parking lot fixture upgrades. We have solutions for both upgrading and replacing. For upgrading, we have really two styles. If you have a 23-inch shoebox, we actually have a retrofit kit that mounts up, face down up in the fixture. It comes with a driver, an external driver that also goes into up into the fixture body. Or we have our universal retrofit kit for upgrading any fixture. Again, same, it does come with a mounting bracket and a driver. Or we have new fixtures, and we have a number of styles. Your traditional 23-inch shoebox type of replacement, form factor is relatively the same. They all come with a arm bracket for a square round pole, slip fitter bracket, or trunnion yoke bracket. And then we have it really gets back to the style you want. Two more traditional LED styles of fixtures, but they all operate great. You're going to get a lot of years of operation. You're going to get great energy savings. So give us a call today and tell us what your requirement is, and we'll help you determine what the best solution is for you. Thank you.